Hi everybody, how you doing? So recently on Twitter I saw a bunch of photos of the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. cast with S.H.I.E.L.D. smartphones, and I was like, yes, hello, they look amazing. How do I get my hands on one of those? Unfortunately, you can't buy them, so I thought, thinking about what I did with my OnePlus 5T a couple of months ago, where I sort of made a Star Wars version of it when they released their Star Wars version, I thought I would try and skin my own phone to look like a S.H.I.E.L.D. phone, because I'm a huge S.H.I.E.L.D. nerd. I love the TV show, I love the comic series, and with the Marvel Avengers Infinity War film coming out like right now, I really thought this was the perfect time to try and make a S.H.I.E.L.D. looking phone. So what I did is I grabbed some skins from Extreme Skins, I ordered them. I ordered some sort of S.H.I.E.L.D. decals from a store on Etsy. All the links for all this will be down below the video if you want to make your own one. And I did two. I did the iPhone 10 and I did the S9 Plus. Now I did two different types of skins on both phones to see which one would work the best. And I've got to say, I think the iPhone 10 has come out better. Let me show you why. Is with the S9 Plus, I went with a transparent skin, thinking actually I've already got a black phone, so I don't need a black skin. But as you can sort of see, it doesn't look, I don't think, I mean you might disagree, as good as or as smooth as the iPhone 10 skin. Now one thing I would probably change if I'd do it again, would I'd probably try and see if I could get a smaller decal. These are a little bit too big, I think. I mean, S.H.I.E.L.D's never been particularly inconspicuous in the films or in the comics. They plaster their logo on absolutely everything, every single wall, every single car, so you know where they are, so maybe it's right that it should be this big. I don't know. So, what I'm going to do next is you'll see the video, like a sped up video of me applying the skin on the iPhone 10. So just so you can see how to do it yourself. And yeah, that's it, basically. That's it from me. I'll see you next time. Bye.